So I've been riding for quite some time, and I arrived to here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah? Mabuti la.
Mabuti lang.
And I do want some fruit.
Yeah.
I want some fruit. What is this?
What kind of fruit? That's
Is this banana?
yes.
Fried banana.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And this one, banana also.
This is banana too.
Yes.
And this?
Kamote, like a potato chips.
Potato chips?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, we'll get.
You want?
Yes, yes.
How
One.
many?
Wait. Let me get fruit first. I want fruit. I want banana.
You want buko?
Boku? What's
Yeah.
that? What is this?
Buko juice.
Boku juice. What is that?
Sa gani na English ay na kuan.
Coconut?
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yes.
How much is this?
20 pesos only.
20 pesos. Okay, give me one, please.
Okay.
Okay. It's all random here. You know, you gotta try. We're gonna get. Oh, this is a great find, by the way. I'm so happy with it. And she's pouring it there, and you can see there are some. Salamat po. Thank you. I don't know what that is, but that looks like the coconut, right? Taste test. Oh wow, that is actually amazing. This is really good.
Yeah.
Very good. It's all coconut?
Yes.
Wow, it's so sweet.
Coconut with milk.
Milk, yeah. Nice, it's super nice. I can't describe it. It's just sweet, and you can taste the coconut as well. Oh my god, we need more things. We'll buy. Okay. Let's get bananas. I want 2 bananas.
What kind of banana? This one? This
What's the best banana?
one? This one. It's in this one.
Okay, give me one of this and one of this.
Okay.
This is 2. Beautiful. Something good. And look here, like this is sweet potato, and this is normal potato. Very nice shack we found.
In Philippines, kamote.
Kamuti.
Yes.
This here is kamuti.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Looks like potato. And this is sweet potato.
Yeah.
Ah, very nice. Okay, let's get to the fry stuff. Okay, you said this is like potato, fried potato,
Yeah.
and it's sweet or salty?
Right?
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, I try. How much is this?
10 pesos only.
10 pesos. Okay, let's try this. This is how it looks. Look. Amazing. Taste test. Random. Oh, it's like she put caramelized. This brown things that you see is like caramelization, you know, on it. Super tasty. Really good. I think this is it's the sweet potato, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. I like it. Okay. Next. Can you like put it in a bag?
Oh, you sure?
Ah, okay.
How many?
Because I want to try this and this as well, you know. So we can get one of this.
Okay.
Oh, give me that. Give me that here. Yeah.
Okay.
No, in the bag,
Okay.
please. Yes.
Only one?
Yeah. Oh, let's put it. It's okay. It's fine. And 2 of these.
Okay.
Let's try that too. Amazing. Look, the locals, they pull over like this and they have a crack at it. Well, he's probably gonna eat this while riding, like, you know. Can you put that as well?
Okay.
Okay. Now she empty it, like, you know, she takes out the stick. Oh no, it's with the stick. Yes, perfect. I take this, perfect. And that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you. Amping. I love them. I just love them. Right, we're sorted. My mouth is full of coconut. Oh, that was so good, that juice.